This game can get super competitive, and then all of a sudden you realize that you're throwing diapers at another person, and you feel a little crazy. I'm sure you can already infer how to play this game. I mean, it's dodgeball with diapers, but I'm going to show you the best way to set everything up so that your game ends up actually being fun to play. First things first, wrapping the diapers. You can wrap them in a ton of different ways, and honestly, you should. I find that the participants will actually play differently depending on what they go into battle with, whether it's a pancake, or a meatball, or an egg roll, or a watermelon. With that said though, generally I think it works better if you combine at least 2 diapers together when you roll them up and tape them. When you only use 1 diaper, they tend to not fly as well as the big boys. I also found that if you only fix the tape to the diaper itself, it's more likely to unravel than if you wrap the tape all the way around onto itself. So make sure you do that too. You should probably have at least 10 dodgeballs by the time you're done, so plan accordingly. To set up the play area, I like to use the 75% method. If you only allow each team to go to the half court line, the sheer distance is too great and it's too hard to get people out. However, with this method, each team can go 3/4 of the way up the gym towards the other team's side. This results in a no man's land in the middle 50%, and it also leads to more action since there's nowhere to hide. Just define each of the 75% lines by either putting cones down or some other marker, or using the same painter's tape to mark it off. Another big tip is that if every round is just normal dodgeball, the people in your group will be over it really fast, and so to prevent this, you can switch up the rules every round or two. The first round can just be normal dodgeball. If you get hit, you're out. If you catch a diaper, the person that threw it is out and you get to bring a teammate back in. During the next game though, you can define an area behind each team that will act as the jail. Once you're out, instead of forming a line on the side, you go across enemy lines and behind them. Now if your teammates throw you a diaper and you're able to catch it, then you get to come back in. This is a little risky though, because if someone catches a throw that was meant to be a lifeline, that thrower is still out. If you're playing in a space that has basketball hoops, you can also play that a made basket immediately releases everyone from jail. Round 3, you can play the VIP variation, where you designate one person for each team to be the VIP, and if you manage to hit the other team's VIP, you win instantly. There's honestly so many things you can do, from playing with your non-dominant hand to dividing into 4 teams and playing in each quadrant. The possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, check out the description.